Hi, I'm Nicholas, and this is a little video tutorial from the WSU Vancouver Library on using the Find It button. We're going to show you how we can save a little bit of time using a button to find the full text and the PDF of articles that you need. So we've all been here in a database doing a search, and we're finding articles that we need, but not all of them have the full text or the PDF. In this example, let's look for college students with ADHD. And let's assume that we've already done some of our preliminary research, so we found a little more specialized vocabulary to use. So we're going to search for undergraduate students and focus in on executive function disorder. And let's see what that gives us. As the search is running, we'll see our results, and I kind of like the titles that we're getting. They look like they're going to be useful. But of course, as we look at it, we don't see a link to the article itself or the PDF. We could click on this link at the top to get a little more information, but we're not going to find the PDF here. If you find yourself in this position, what we want to use is this Find It at WSU button. It's going to do a search of all of the databases and all of the journal packages and all of the places that the library might subscribe to this particular journal article, an article that's in the Journal of Autism and Developmental Disorders, and it's going to find where we subscribe to it. In this case, in the Springer Link journal package. So if I click on that, the Find It button is going to give us the article that we need right here. We can download the PDF, or we could read the title right here on the screen. And that's really the result that we're looking for. So doing that search, it's quick and it's easy, and it helps us find the title that we need. But of course, not every time we do this search are we going to get exactly the thing that we're looking for. So let's go back and take a look at the second title in this search. Joint Exploration of Executive Subcomponents in Binge Drinking. All right, and let's try the Find It at WSU button again. And this time, as the search runs, we're going to notice that, of course, we don't have access to this particular one. This is one of the articles that WSU does not subscribe to. And as this finishes loading, we're going to see, tells us that our search doesn't match a resource in the libraries. But all is not lost. We can use something called interlibrary loan to request that. And I'm going to talk about how to use interlibrary loan in our next video. But for now, I just want to say thanks for watching. We're going to have more of these little helpful videos to explain quick tips, quick things that can help you save time, save frustration, and be more successful in your research. Thanks, and I hope to see you again.